Dear student, I am Dr. Harold Thomas, Professor in Applied Geology, Dr. Hari Singh Gaur Vishwavidyalaya Sagar. Today, I will deliver my lecture on grade of metamorphism part 2. In this lecture, I will cover changes from very low grade to high grade metamorphism. Hope it will be useful for you. Try to be regular in course. Changes from very low grade to high grade metamorphism. Disappearance of lawsonite and formation of geosite or clinogeosite. First, disappearance of pumpelite by reaction with chlorite and quartz producing clinogeosite beside actinolite. Second, at low pressure metamorphism where lawsonite cannot form and reaction. Third, crystallinity of illite equal to Klauber law values. Fourth, low grade metamorphic rocks indicated by the beginning of green schist facies. Low grade metamorphic rocks are generally characterized by an abundance of hydrous mineral. With increasing grade of metamorphism, the hydrous minerals begin to react with other minerals and or break down to less hydrous minerals. Low grade metamorphism take place at temperature between about 400 to 450 degree centigrade to 550 degree centigrade and relatively lower pressure. Fifth, under the medium grade temperature ranges, the formation of schist, blue schist, amphibolite, green schist generally occur. The mineral paragenesis of low grade metamorphism, green schist facies which disappear at medium grade amphibolite facies. The mineralogical changes that characterize the beginning of the amphibolite facies, these changes should preferably occur within large pressure range. 6. Medium grade facies, the problem is mark the higher temperature boundary of the low grade metamorphic division against the medium grade division. Pressure variation play an important role in determining the stability of various minerals formed in this grade. These grade having the temperature range up to from 500 to 550 degree centigrade to 700 degree centigrade and is indicated by the index minerals like stolite and selemonite or cordierite. 7. Blue schist amphibolite. 8. Higher grade metamorphism generally occur at greater depth. Their high pressure and higher temperature can act. It can also occur other than the higher depths where the high amount of temperature supplied by intruded magma. As grade of metamorphism increases, hydrous minerals become less hydrous by losing H2O and non-hydrous minerals become more common. High grade metamorphism take place at temperature greater than 600 degree centigrade to 800 degree centigrade and relatively higher pressure. 9. They depends on a pressure and a absence of very low partial pressure of H2O. This is significant in gammalite terrain. A typical example indicative of high grade metamorphism is provided by the breakdown of muscovite mica in the presence of quartz. The reaction is muscovite plus quartz give rise to orthoclase selemonite plus water. 10. These minerals are stable only with the temperature pressure range. Consider characteristics of that particular grade. The formation of different set of minerals restricted to different grade. By study of these minerals, we can find out the metamorphic grade of the particular rock. These grades are indicated by the presence of a set of minerals that are called index minerals. Another term, isoreaction guard, is sometimes used when similar reaction as indicated by the mineral assemblages at different places in a metamorphosed area are clearly understood. In practice, an assemblage of index mineral, rather an individual mineral, is used for drawing isograde. This concept has been found very convenient in tracing the progress of metamorphism in the given region. Isogard equal to line to indicate same grade of metamorphism, first appearance of minerals by increasing metamorphic grade. 12. High grade metamorphism generally occur at greater depth. Their high pressure and higher temperature cannot act. It can also occur other than the higher depths, where the high amount of temperature applied by intruded magma. 13. As grade of metamorphism increases, hydrous minerals become less hydrous by losing H2O, and non-hydrous minerals become more common. High grade metamorphism take place at temperature greater than 600 to 800 degrees centigrade and relatively higher pressure. They depending on a pressure and B absence of a very low partial pressure of H2O. This is significant in gamma-like terrain. Another term, isoreaction grade, is sometimes used when similar reaction as indicated by mineral assemblages at different places in a metamorphosed area are clearly understood. In practice, an assemblages of index mineral rather than individual mineral is used for drawing isograde. The concept has been found very convenient in tracing the presence of metamorphism in the given region. Isograde equal to line to indicate same grade of metamorphism. 14. Reaction and appearance or disappearance of critical minerals can be used to determine pressure temperature condition. A grade of metamorphic rocks that have formed under the same set of physicochemical condition. Metamorphic grade is a scale of metamorphic intensity which uses indicator mineral as geothermometer and geobarometer. Increasing the grade of metamorphism is also accompanied by increasing the grain size of the rock. Telly has described as 4 type of grade: very low grade, medium grade and high grade. The degree of intensity of metamorphism that has affected a rock is called grade of metamorphism, chemically active fluid. Dear student, today in this lecture we have discussed about the grade of metamorphism part 2. For further studies, please read the textbooks, references and links given in the text. Thank you very much.